This is like the worst rigging job ever.
I'm back out on another adventure. I got my trailer hooked on, so that means that I'm going to pick something up. I bought a truck on an auction. I've never seen it before. All I've seen is one picture. So I don't really know what I'm getting myself into. It said that it needs head gaskets, but who knows? I have no idea. It could need more, it could need less. So this is actually why I stopped by here, so that I could clean my windshield. With the world's longest pole. You look good. What am I hitting? Whoa, wait a minute. Your one ramp fell off. Oh. It did fall off, didn't it? Whoa, whoa! Probably gonna scrape again. That's what Emily's doing. It's been solved. That's probably about where I want to be. Well, here it is. We got the thing back home, and sadly didn't get any video of unloading it, but it wasn't all that exciting of a process. I went ahead and I took it out on its first service call. I was looking at a John Deere backhoe. And then I was looking around on Facebook Marketplace. Love that place, my favorite thing ever. And I found a bed for it up in Idaho. So I went up and picked that up and brought it back home. So the rest of this is putting the bed on the truck.
This is like the worst rigging job ever.
You sure you want to film this?
That's kind of what I'm wondering, Jake.
Okay, are you hooked?
With the chain? Oh, yes.
With
yes,
the strap
yes.
on the wheel well?
Okay, boom up nice and slow. What? Yeah. Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay, roll the bucket out. Keep going. Okay, go up.
The chain on this side isn't.
I'm wondering if I want to back that strap off, and then once we get tension on the chain, then I'll tighten it up.
I'll drop it.
Yeah, lower it down. Okay, go up. Okay, roll the bucket back now. All right, stop. Okay, go up slowly.
I feel like our weight is really shifted that way. Are you alright?
Yeah, I think it'll be okay. Just take it nice and slow. Okay, that's good. Go into reverse. Slowly, slowly. That's a sketchy rigging job. I'm not proud of that. Okay, keep coming. You're good. Stop right there. Lower it down by just a little bit.
You want to be able to get your bed under it, not that.
It's got plenty of space. Okay, that's good, I guess. I don't know. All right, are you ready to back up? Come on back. You feel like you're right in the middle? Keep coming. Oh, hold on, hold on. There's no weight on the back of this truck, so it won't drive. Okay, come on back. All right, straighten out. And stop. Okay, you're gonna need to back up. Hold on. The spare tire might be in the way. Nicest, smoothest backing up ever. Well, the bed's set, kind of. That bracket's in the way, so I gotta cut that off. Sadly. So what I got to do is I got to cut this weld and this weld out and get this bracket out of the way because it doesn't fit the truck. So once I do that, we'll do something else, I guess. Whoops. Danger. It's a new day. I'm back working on my truck. I've decided I'm going to take the 2x4s that are propping that up out, and I got a notch out where the fuel tank goes on the bed so that it'll sit down all the way. So that's the first thing on my list of things to do, and then I've got bolts so that I can make the thing permanent. So it's the end of the day now.
I got the bed all mounted on. Things are looking good in that department. I am working on the wiring for the lights now. It's kind of taking a minute because I don't know what anything goes to, and it seems like the wiring on this bed is not all that great, so probably gonna have to just rip it all out and redo it. Well, I guess as can be seen, it is nighttime now, but I got something exciting to show. The lights work. Took some figuring, but all the lights are functioning properly, so I'm pretty excited about that. Currently I work for an equipment dealership, but I've always wanted to work for myself, so I went ahead and just picked up that truck so that I can start doing work out of it. But in the meantime, thanks for watching.